Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Forex Gold. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, this is live trading. We are trading in gold. So after this trade, I'll explain you why we entered this position. Okay, I'll explain you everything, each and everything. The video is very interesting guys, so let's see what happens. Now we have entered in the position with a stop loss, as you can see over here.
Let it be.
Hello guys, as you saw the trade, it was a wonderful setup. So how did we enter the setup and why we entered? So I'm going to explain you each and everything. Okay, so this is a gold chart, as you can see, and today's date is 4th. Okay guys, so this is a daily time frame. So I will on my drawings, so you can see. So we had some levels. Okay, so this is the lower level and this is the higher level, and as you can see here, there was a level. Okay, 1775. Okay, so let me go to 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, the market was going upwards from here. Okay guys, so let's go to 1 hour, and where we entered and where we exited. So all together I'm going to explain you. Okay guys, so let me go to 15 minutes time frame. So guys, as you can see, today is 4th. Okay, so today is 4th, as you can see at my cursor. So today is 4th. So from the morning itself, this was the first wave. This was the morning first wave at 6 o'clock. So this was the second wave at 7:45, 8, and this was the third wave. Okay, so market was continuously making the waves. Okay guys, continuously making the waves. As you can see over here, this was the third wave. On the third wave, I entered, but I was unable to record, and I got 1:1 over here also. Okay, I booked 2 pips in another account. Okay, in my live funded account. Okay guys, so within few days I'll be showing you all the accounts that I have. So everything I'll be share you. Okay guys, so please like the video. Okay guys, so all this analysis, all these charts, I'll be sharing on my Telegram channel. Okay guys, so all you have to do is everything is free guys. You don't have to pay a penny. Okay, everything is free. All you have to do is you have to join XNES. Link is in the description. I recommend start with $40 to $50, and you can take my all the signals, all the analysis free of cost. Okay guys, I am not going to charge a single penny. So guys, as you can see, this was the last support that the market had, and also I took the position over here, and I instantly booked because this was a breakout. The market could reverse from here, so that's why I booked 1:1. But as you can see, the market went upwards and it created this high. It touched this high because in the daily time frame, as you can see, there was a high over here, this red candle. Okay, this red candle was of 2nd August high. So it broke that level, it took that liquidation, and again it came back. Okay, so when it came back to its original point, so there we placed an order with the stop loss. As you can see in the video, our stop loss was the same 1773.5. you can check at the beginning of the video, and you can see I exited over here and I booked $10. Okay guys, so these trades, all trades I will share on my Telegram. Okay guys, so all you have to do is join XNES. The link is in the description guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, peace out.